Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World through Tanvir Kazmi again. I'm here to discuss a very important news. I've seen for many years I see people's complaint about law enforcement, our establishment agencies and all this, that they are misusing their power. They're going too far into collecting the information and ruining the life of many innocent people. Again, first I will say that we are very proud of them. They are doing great job. They are giving their lives to protect the life of the people. They are here. The reason we are living peacefully. But yes, there is a problem. We have some bad apples who are making system or not following the God's guidelines to build a system to rule or manage the people. Or so that's why the problem is. You have three major holy books: Torah, Gospel, and Quran. It tells you, it guides you that how can you manage, where the boundaries, how far you can go, finding the problem is, how far you can go to investigate a problem. Cannot be possible to give free hand anybody to all the time. This is extremely dangerous for humanity's survival. A God who's the creator of universe, who gives you light, who gives you, water, who give you food, who give you life. That is not his system. That's why we are getting a lot of punishment for not following his laws. So law enforcement are also part of that system that needs to learn and review their processes. They have to fix their problem. Let's sit down, all of them, entire world, and based on latest holy book, they can redesign their system so we can not only we can manage better, we can also take control of the bad people, and also we are here to help people, not go too far. Investigation is allowed. Yes, if anybody has a doubt, it is allowed to go and talk to that person, continue. But again, God is continue telling you, do not put anybody in jail until you have many proofs. Sometimes it mostly says for four proofs, four human proofs, not this machine. This machine mostly lies, and you never know who's sitting behind that and taking revenge from the people. Human witness you need to prove that somebody is wrong. If you cannot, you are not allowed to do that. If somebody accusing somebody wrong and they cannot produce enough evidence, that person must be punished. Does not mean jail, does not mean to give so much pain. That means slight punishment. So this is very important. We learn. We need to redesign. We have a book available. God is really unhappy the way we are running the system because humanity in trouble. People are suffering for small mistake. They are not living. The women or the male are not living the way they should. They cross the boundaries, and when they have issues, then they create trouble and they involve law enforcement to kill each other. Let's not do this. We are humans. Let's do patience. Let's resolve together by a lot of talk. It is allowed that we have problem. We take negotiation, a lot of dialogue. We should have a court system where we can go and talk. We should have law enforcement, a special department would go and find a solution between both parties and where the problem is. And based on the teaching of God, that system should be resolved. So let's change. Let's not go too far into go into too much giving people trouble. I hope we can make this world again the best world, a living, peaceful, and enjoyable for all of us, for future generation, for our children, for us. Let's change now. Take care. Bye.